Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How is
Good
everyone
morning,
doing
ma'am.
today?
Good.
Okay, turn on your camera, please. Everyone, turn on your camera. People, yes. Turn on, Barira, Aishin. I can only see Iman and Milan. What about the others?
Mine is on.
Okay, I can see Amila now. Hazel, I'm not able. I can see Hazel. Barira, Al-Fatih.
Good
Okay,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Barira, come on, turn on your camera. You're not supposed to turn off your camera. Very well, don't turn it off. Okay, people, I am getting a lot
Fine.
of complaint about Canva. I need you to stop using Canva. Only if a
I
work is.
already stopped like 10 years ago or something. 10 months ago.
How old are you? 10 years ago?
So I'm not 10 years, 10 months or something.
Okay, if I
I
am.
didn't use Canva for 2 months.
Very good, Laisel. The
Once
complaint
or
is not about you, Laisel. I think the person knows who this complaint is
Look
about.
what I won at the sports day. Look what I won at the sports day.
Varira, let
I
me
got
complete this, Varira. See, I want you to stop using Canva only for classwork if teacher is giving. I'll ask teachers not to give Canva anymore. But if I am getting one more complaint you are using Canva, except for studies purpose, I am going to take action. This is very serious. I don't want to take any names. I'm not going to call out anyone's name. You know if you are using or not. I have proof. I have video recording of all your chats. Next, I am going to do is I am going to take action regarding the people those who are there in that chat. You know if you are using or not. Think whether you are using or not. Be very genuine and think whether you are using or not. Give me 1 second.
ma'am, can I show my thing which I got from
Yes, Marina, you can show it. Yes, show please.
okay. It's on top of my study table. I can't really reach it. I
And
think someone
regarding Canva, I am very serious, okay? Today you will be stopping. I don't want to see anyone using Canva anymore.
got this big. I got this big trophy. It's like look how big it is. It's bigger than my head.
Ah, I saw it, Barira. I
You see
saw
my
someone.
thumbs?
How about the
See my
sports day,
thumbs?
everyone?
One, two. I got two golden medals. Not even silver. Or the.
That's
Good
nice.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You are late.
I know. Oh my goodness. I forgot my laptop. I forgot my laptop password.
You forgot the password?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Then I tried and tried until I tried and finally it came.
Okay. Please turn on the camera first. Yes. Good job. Are you
Okay.
preparing for exam, everyone?
Yes. Yes, we are. This time I'm wearing my cap haircut. Yes.
Everyone share your screen for a second. Everyone share the screen. I'll count till 10. The screen should be open. One, two, three, entire screen. I mean entire. Okay, Alpha, you can stop sharing. Good. Next. Everyone,
Honey,
I need
honey,
everyone to share.
honey,
What happened, Hazel?
That's the meat again. The another meat.
ma'am, can I share my screen?
Yes, yes.
Everyone keeps sharing that I can't share.
People? Did I upload? Can you share a calendar? Is the calendar there for today?
No.
Ma'am, that's only assembly day.
Okay, I'll correct it by afternoon. Okay.
I
So
was
first,
thinking, I was thinking myself, is there no class?
I'll correct it today. I'm so sorry. I'll correct it. First period you have English and Science.
Ma'am,
Okay. Just remember that by afternoon I'll correct it. Sounds good?
ma'am,
Sounds
can you
good?
please stop? Can you
Yes.
please like tell the boys and girls like to stop sharing so that I can share English.
But Barira, I want to check something. That's why I'm making everyone share. So they have to share.
But they're like in the front screen, in the window, like what?
Okay. Everyone can stop sharing. Good. And regarding at sorry, this one our calendar. By afternoon I'll correct it. Okay. First two period you have English and Science by Shiny Ma'am. Just remember that much. First two period it is English and Science by Shiny Ma'am. So Shiny Ma'am will come.
Wow.
Okay. Barira, close all the other things that is not needed. Oh, you have so many
Wait,
tabs.
this is the things which I needed. Calendar,
You don't need Google English Arabic translator right now. You don't need all that.
I do. I'm bad at Arabic.
It's not Arabic period. It is science period right now. English and
I
science.
don't know how to get this date, huh?
Tarira, please close it.
Ma'am, so the first period is English.
First period is English. Then we have science. Okay. Shiny mom will come down. Sounds good. So let's wait for Shiny ma'am to come. Is it okay? You can
Yeah.
take a book. Everything is on your table. Book, water bottle, everything is there.
Yes. Actually, ma'am, I'm actually in I came to India for some days and I'm in a hotel, so the network is kind of bad here.
Hmm. So okay, but I can see you right now. Aishan, turn on your camera, Ishan. Okay, so let's wait for Shiny ma'am. Ishan. Okay, Shiny ma'am is here. So bye bye, people. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.